In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dragonfly Doji Bullish quick and easy guide. We'll walk through step by step how to add the Dragonfly Doji Bullish indicator to your Tradingview chart so you can start spotting this powerful candlestick pattern with just a couple of clicks. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along, even if you're still new to Tradingview or candlestick patterns. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart looking at the market you want to analyze. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other asset. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the top of the screen where you see the toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where Tradingview keeps all its built-in tools, scripts, and community indicators. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do that, a search window will pop up over your chart. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and start typing the word Doji. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the list of available indicators for anything related to Doji candlesticks. This makes it much faster than scrolling through a long list. Once the results load, look for the one specifically named Dragonfly Doji Bullish. Double check that you're choosing the Bullish Dragonfly version, since there can be other Doji related tools or variations. When you see Dragonfly Doji Bullish in the list, simply click on it once. Tradingview will instantly add this indicator to your chart. After you click it, you should start seeing markings or highlights on the chart wherever a bullish Dragonfly Doji appears, depending on how the indicator is designed. If you want to customize how it looks, you can usually click on the indicator's name at the top of the chart to open its settings and adjust colors, visibility, or other options to match your personal style. If you're planning to use this setup more seriously and want access to additional features, more indicators at the same time, or extra alerts, you can check out the Tradingview Pro plan. I have an affiliate link in the video description that you can use to sign up or upgrade. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks more tools to make your trading analysis smoother and more efficient. That's all you need to do to add the Dragonfly Doji Bullish indicator in Tradingview quickly and easily.